Hey people, I've got myself a PlayStation 2 controller and one of the analog 3D sticks. It's a bit knackered, as you can see, sticking to the left. It's just knackered, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to unsolder the points with my trusty desoldering gun. Bear with me. Just going to make sure I'm in shot. It's not happened last time. Here we go. Ouch. It's appearing to be a little bit tricky. Sometimes the old solder is a little bit knackered, so what we need to do is put some new solder on to make it flow a little bit better. I could use a flux pen, it's not to hand, so should be done. Sometimes they get stuck a little bit, you just have to wiggle them, just don't go overboard. If not, just go around pins again, so free it up. Got to think, this has probably been in the console best about 10-15 years, so. Or even the console's controller, I should say. Yeah, it's coming through. It's getting there. There you go. It's getting stuck. So I'm just going to grab another one and replace that. Sorry about that. Found my replacements. Just make sure this is a fully functional one. Just clean the board up a little bit. Right, I'm just going to get my soldering iron. Right, finally got the soldering iron powered up. Should really find the other power cables so I can have them both running at the same time, but hey ho, that's how it goes. Right, so what I'll need to do is solder in this replacement 3D stick.
What's with this show, Wayne's World, that I keep hearing so much about? Well, I have all your shows on tape. Like I said, I'm a fan. I put a show in for him, and he literally jumped out of the seat. Cool. Immediately, he wants to sponsor the show, put you on our station, and pay you guys a huge salary. Of course, what he doesn't realize is that you're both artists, and that you're not interested in money. No, we're not interested in money. That's what I told him. But he said, go to Aurora anyway and take 2 cashier's checks with you, so they at least know that I'm serious. I know that I may be wasting my time, but here I am with the contract and 2 cashier's checks for $5,000 each. Excuse me? Baking powder? It sounded like you said you were going to pay us for doing Wayne's World. I know. You just give me the word and I'll tear up these checks right here. No. Shoot these scores. Well, would you like to look at the contracts? Yes. Do you have a lawyer? Yes. No, we're between lawyers right now. You see, our first lawyer screwed our affairs so bad. That's right. I walked right into that office. That's what I did, and I reached across that desk and I grabbed him by his big fat head and I said, listen, man, I'm not going to jail for you or anybody. Can I have an opportunity to peruse that contract before we sign it? Yes. I like what you've done here. Yes. I dropped my pen. I'm not so sure about... I see. Hi. Does this seem weird? I mean, why does this guy have contracts? Did you ever see The Twilight Zone where the guy signed a contract and they cut out his tongue and they put it in a jar and it wouldn't die? It just grew and pulsated and gave birth to baby tongues? Pretty cool, huh? I gotta go. Oh, I like this. Well, I feel we can work with you on this project. Well, you've made Mr. Vanderhoff a very happy man. To Wayne's World. To Wayne's World! We got
Sorry, I'm kicking the camera again. Cool, that's cleaned up. There you go. Placement stick is in and it's moving as it should. We're getting stuck, nice snap to it. The other one's fine, there's no problems with that. Just need to put it back together. So I'll pause it, put it back together and show you. Right, finally got the case back together. I mean, there is a bit of a crack on this one, but it's solid, it's all screwed together, it's not coming apart. Buttons are all responsive. Stick doesn't get stuck. All the buttons do actually work. I do need to put in my PlayStation, but there you go. It's a quick video, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, got any questions, just ask. I'll be happy to help.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you can...
Yo, check this out.
Come on, baby.